Suppose we wish to conduct a two-sample f-test on the following data. I'll go ahead and enter in this data into list 1 and list 2. Take some Now that we have our data entered in, we may go ahead and conduct the test. So in order to do that, we hit Stat, highlight Tests, and scroll until you get to two-sample-f-test. Now we'll go ahead and highlight Data, and we'll put list 1 as L1. And remember that list 1 corresponds to population 1, list 2 corresponds to population 2. And I'll keep the frequency at each of these lists to be 1. And we'll go ahead and conduct a two-sided test, the not equal to situation. We'll go ahead and have it calculate the information. And here we see the results. We have the alternate hypothesis, the test statistic, the p-value, the sample standard deviation for the first list, the sample standard deviation for the second list, the mean for the first list, and the arrow indicates we can scroll down to see more information. So we'll scroll down and we'll see the additional information. The mean value for the second list, the sample size for the first list, and the sample size for the second list. And if we wish to see a picture of the situation, we can. We can hit Stat, highlight Tests, scroll to two-sample-f-test, and then select the Draw option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here we see the F distribution, and we see the shaded regions corresponding to the p-value. Since we ran a two-sided test, we have two shaded regions. The test statistic is here. The p-value is given here in a number format. The shaded regions under this F distribution represent the p-values. So this region plus this region is equal to about 0.208. And this is how you can conduct a two-sample f-test with data values on the TI-83-84 calculators.